A good day and warm welcome to our Madam Nolisa Bintino and my dear fellow friends. Today I am going to present about case study for Dcc50525 for building services. First, we will see is the group members. Okay, I am Rohinton Paramiswaran. My registration number is 01DK20F2018 and my teammates are Kamleshwaran 777, 01DK20F2007 and Drubneshwari Sridharan 01DK20F2026 and Sivanesh Mayachandran 01DK20F2022 and also Durga Karupaya 01DK20F2027. The table of contents. We have overall 7 tasks. First task is identify the problem of maintenance and building services compound. And task 2 is discover how latest technology can assist in solving the problems. And task 3 is identify the needs of maintenance supervisor that suit the model. Task 4 is define the best technology to assist with the maintenance reference, that is brainstorming or deal with expert. Task 5 is ideate and the best idea using. And task 6 and task 7 and 8 also the prototype and the test of the prototype and how it is used. Building services compounds. Okay, first one we selected heating, ventilations and air conditioning. And second we select security and alarm systems. And third fire detection and protection system. And fourth one is water treatment and drainage. And last one is electrical distribution. These are the building services compounds we are selected for this case study. Okay, first, task 2, that is the problem of building services compound. Okay, the first is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. What are the problems they are facing in heating, ventilation, also air conditioning? The first one is sensor issue. If the sensor is deep placed, the air conditioner could be cycled continuously or function erratically. And the second one is uncharged refrigerator. During installation may leak or pose a threat to the environment. And third one is manufacturing thermostats. The thermostat is literally the brain of the heating and air conditioning system. It controls the entire climate control operation by setting the air level and temperature of the system according to your requirements. And the second one is security and alarm system. They also have 3 that is depends on electricity. Each wireless sensor contains its own battery which supplies power in case of power outage only. Indicate battery perform in case of power outage can put home security at risk. The second one is false alarms. A large number of security system advancements are false alarms is usually happens when the system was not installed properly and almost any sound for any open window, falling branches can trigger it. We cannot identify what the problems of the alarm system. And incorrect programming. Another common problem with security systems is incorrect programming even if panels were properly installed and programmed. If the building's layout changes, the systems won't function as expected. The third one is fire detection and protection system. Okay, there are 2 dirty smoke detectors. Smoke detectors and alarms are stationary fixtures sitting on ceilings and walls detecting different types of debris. Depending on their positions and their environment which we are seeing, material can enter the detection chamber and tamper with the sensitivity. And second one is wrong detector type. Wrong detector type is building codes require a minimum amount of fire protection safety. Equipment will install depending on the type of building. This requirements is put in place provide a minimum level of safety to the building. And the fourth one is water treatment and drainage. These are familiar to the drainage. They have 3 that is blockages, broken or displaced joints and also fractures. Blockages, slow draining sinks, clogged drains and toilet bowls with poor draining functions are some signs of the blocked drainage. They are largely caused by coffee grounds, air, tissues, fat, and other oil substances. Broken or displaced joints, the movement of the ground which can be caused by background, irregular drainage repairs can cause displacement. And the third one is fractures. Drainage systems are continuously exposed to wear and tear that eventually cause fractures to the pipes. These crackers are typically located near the joints where wastewater can leak out. And the last one for the problem is electrical distributions. They have two problems. The first one is overheat line sag. They are renewable to damage caused by outside forces. You often see damage that is caused by surf weather. Underground cable treeing. The underground cable is a electrochemical and water treeing. Treeing is a moisture penetration in the presence of electrical field reduces in the building system. That's all the task to the problems you have from the component. Then we are going to the solution. The problem of the solution by using the new technology that is continued by Sivanish Mayachandran. Thank you so much. This is my part.
Hi and hello everyone, my name is Sivanish Mayachandran and my matrix number is 01DK820F2022 and I'm going to explain on about the task 3 which is on discover how latest technology can assist in solving the problems. The very first thing will be sustainable HVAC systems, which is really related with the eco-friendly building designs which are aimed to use minimal energy for heating or cooling the property. The very first point that I'm going to elaborate on is about energy analyzing software. Energy analysis software which can help the architects find an appropriate design for the building's lifetime consumption. It can lead to mass-scale HVAC innovations that can help the building to be a cost-effective and energy-effective ecosystem. The very second thing that I'm going to elaborate on is about sensor vents. The sensor vents are used to solve the difference in temperature that can result in inefficient cooling or heating process. The very third thing will be ice-powered air conditioning. An advanced air conditioning unit powered by an ice can help to provide cool air conditioning for up to 6 hours. The device freezes the water in the tank overnight and charges up to provide a cool environment during the day. The very fourth element that I'm going to explain on is about dual fuel heat pump. The dual fuel heat pump technology combines a full-sized gas furnace and an electric heat pump in a single package. The heating system can be a great choice for the homeowners where the electricity rates are very low and the temperature is moderate. Here we can move on to our next slide. We are able to see about two kinds more steps, which is the second thing will be central monitoring CCTV system, 24 hours per 7 days professional monitoring service to monitor security system that can respond on CCTV accurately in emergency situations, which are when a needed in instruction is detected, an immediate signal will be sent to the monitoring center and your nearest people's cell phone. The system will be alert users or even contact the local authorities immediately. The very third step will be eco-line drones. A drone can create a more holistic view of these fire scenes from multiple vantage points. New low-cost thermal imagery solutions on drones improve visibility in difficult conditions. The technology helps drones see through the smoke to deliver key information to the firefighters. The very fourth step will be smart drain trap, potential to significantly reduce the risk of flooding due to overflows from stormwater drains. Underground drainage involves a sewerage system, gas pipeline networks, water pipelines and manholes. Utilizing solar and camera sensors, the solution is designed to monitor water levels and potential flow rate within roadside stormwater drains and provide real-time alerts to operational teams so blockages can be addressed before inundation occurs. The ultrasonic sensors have been mounted in roadside stormwater drains and measure the water levels. The very fifth thing will be electricity meter usage monitors. Electricity meter usage monitors are among the best electrical solutions for tracking your energy usage, significantly cutting the energy bills. This new electric product lets you identify the appliances that consume the most energy. They can also attach the usage monitors to your electricity panel in the panel box and allow them to transmit usage data to your phone.
Hi, my name is Subneshwari Sridharan. My metric number is 01DK820F2026. Today I'm going to present about task 4, which is identify the needs of maintenance supervisor that suits the model. Number 1. Sustainable HVAC system. First one is thermostat. The temperature sensor on the thermostat indicates when the heater or air conditioner should run or turn off. The thermostat should be located as far as possible from areas of concentrated temperature different with the average temperature of the intended location. Second one is heat generator. The heat generator is a key member of HVAC system components when it comes to heating. What happens in this device is, for an example, the production of heat through the extraction of fuel energy inside a furnace, aka a combustion chamber. Third, blowers. Air forced by one of the HVAC system components, called a blower, through the heat exchanger into the air ducting that will move the hot air to where it is intended. Blowers are driven by electrical motors with a shaft. The airflow can be adjusted by modifying the motor speed. Last one. Next, air ducts and vents. Air is moved through ducts to reach the various HVAC system components. Good ducting is essential for delivering high quality air to the area. Duct leakage can cause noise while the system is working. Continue. Fans. Air conditioning service professional near Mansfield TX may install fans in homes with large HVAC system, which may have an extensive network of ducts coming through the building. Next, air filter and dust collector. Most ventilation systems rarely require an air filter and dust collector for efficient operation. However, it will be a good idea to have them installed by experienced heating and AC service professionals, as they can trap pollutant particles, preventing them from being distributed indoors. Last is heat pump vs versus air conditioner. What happens in heat pumps is the reverse process occurring in an air conditioning unit, but with the same components as air conditioners. Therefore, in cold weather, the heat from outside will be transferred inwards. Second, central monitoring CCTV system. Note MCU V3, compact machine operating on integrated circuit board with single MOS, function as GSM module whose gives the alert notification. Ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 generic detects distance by allowing a sound wave to return at specific frequency and by waiting for that sound wave. Servo motor is used to rotate the CCTV camera so as to cover a large area. Pure electric buzzer. Buzzer is a type of electronic device that used to produce a tone alarm sound or sound which can alert people in emergency situations. ESP32 camera module. The ESP32 camera module is a small image sensor and low operating voltage, providing all function of a single chip of GVA camera and image processor, highly used as a camera CCTV sources. Aguiline drones. Standard prop. The tractor propeller are the props at the front of the quadcopter. Props pull the quadcopter through the air like a tractor, while some drones like the DJI Phantom look more or less the same from any angle. There is a front and back. Next, pusher prop. The pusher props are at the back and push the UAV forward, hence the name pusher props. These contra-rotating props exactly cancel out motor torques during stationary level flight. Next, brushless motors. Particularly all the latest drone use a brushless electrical outrun runner type, which is more efficient, more reliable and quieter than a brushed motor. More efficient motors save battery life and give the owner more flying time, which is what every pilot wants. Last, motor mount. The drone motor mount is sometimes built into the combination fittings with landing struts or can be part of the UAV frame. There are quite a few parts which are easy to replace on most drones. Number 4. Smart Drain Trap. Note MCU, compact machine operating on an integrated circuit board with single MOS. Next, gas sensor. Notice gas leakage or other emissions and can interface with a control system to automatically shut down a method. Ultrasonic sensor detects distance by allowing a sound wave to return at specific frequency and by waiting for that sound wave. Liquid crystal display LCD. Crystal liquid to produce a visible image, show a picture on a laptop or some other computer tool. Next, flow rate sensor. Calculate the amount of water flowing through the pipe. GPS module. Utilize satellites to detect the location of any GPS monitoring chip item, including cars, human and pets, independently of atmospheric factors and offers clear details in real time. Blind application for Android. Remotely track devices, display sensor data, store data, stimulate and do a lot of other cool things. Blind app lets you to create stunning interfaces for your projects. Brain server also responsible to for all intricate smartphone and equipments. Number 5. Electricity meter usage monitors. ZMPT 101B voltage sensor is a voltage transformer sensor that simply scales down the voltage linearly and provides an along output to the user. It also provides an isolation voltage of up to 4000 V and a safe operating voltage of 1000 V. And second, ACS71220A current sensor is a current sensing IC based on Hall effect sensor. It has an integrated Hall effect IC that detects the change in the magnetic field when current flow occurs. This change in the magnetic field is converted into a proportional voltage and then given to the user as output data.
Hello everyone, my name is Tulpa Katya, meeting number 0180F2027. Now I will continue my slide. Is a task 5. Define the best technology to assist with the maintenance reference, brainstorming or deal with experts. So the reason why we are choosing technology is the primary objective of this project are design and enter application for an automatic drain trap system and flow alarm sensor. To create automatic drain trap system and flow alarm sensor and to assess how to effective these systems are. How the system works. First one, first closing the drain will rise the water level and utility result is floating in the surrounding area. And then with using the ultrasonic distance sensor, it will detect the rise of the water level. The following last one, the water level is rise and the result that is closing the drain, utility closing flooding with safety. So moving the next slide is what advantage of using drain trap and the overflow detector. The first one, able to detect road drains from the rise water levels and alerting management using sensor and automatic garbage traps. The second can be used in areas where closed drains are common problem and flood upgrade the drain clean. The last one, 3, able to design sensor that assign the data directly to management in order to monitor and reduce the server flooding.
A very good day to my beloved lecturer and my fellow friends. Before I begin my presentation, allow me to introduce myself. Myself, I'm Kamleshwaran, son of Triple Silvan, and my registration number is 01DKA20020F2007. Okay, today I'm going to explain about my task 6, which is ideate the best idea using what we have been defined. Okay, for the first one is flooding prevention is our initiative main objective. This is due to the fact that floods not only claims lives but also cause extensive property damage. This clever drain trap assists in preventing unwelcome floats by informing staff members using a smartphone app called Telegram when the water level in the drain is rising. Workers, for instance, can quickly react to prevent the affecting others by detecting the immediate rate of water level rise. So the next is the smart drain system uses sensors to detect the rise in water level brought by one too much garbage in the drain as a result of some communities' irresponsible attitude, which will make everyone feel safe. To prevent this flood from harming others and preventing it from achieving the main objective, all parties must be work together. Okay, task 7, which is explain about the material that used for this idea by using a latest IoT tool. Okay, the first IoT tool that used is battery, which is used for sensor for long-lasting functions. And the next is PCS stainless steel preforted metal sheet, which is designed with holes that allow the water flow very smooth. And also it is functions in drain trap to trap the rubbish. And the next is sensor cover, which is cover the sensor to prevent from the animals such as cats, rats, which is can easily harm that sensor. Okay, so the next task is to test your prototype by collecting data or survey to the targeted group. There are two types of targeted group that we used for this survey, which is students and also employed. And there are also two types of gender that we used for collecting this kind of information, which is male and female. And also there are few types of age people's contact and survey, which is 20 years to 35 years old people. Okay, for the first data information response is the question that we shoot for the survey is, if there are flood for tomorrow, would you prepare to handle it? Jika berlaku banjir pada hari esok, adakah anda telah bersedia untuk menghadapi? So the majority is indicate the orange color, which is 53.8% people are agreed for this question and also tell yes for these questions. And the rest blue colors are indicate that they are no with this statement, which is 46.2% peoples. Okay, this is the second response for the second questions that we asked for the peoples. Okay, the first is flood cases are increased in Malaysia from time to time. Kes banjir semakin meningkat di Malaysia dari semasa ke semasa. Do you agree with this statement? Adakah anda setuju dengan kenyataan ini? So, majority people are tell that they are agree. Yes, the blue color is indicate the yes and the red color is indicate the no. For the previous respondent, we used the blue color as a no. So for these questions, we use the blue color as indicate the yes answer. So you can see this is our final model, which is the drain trap with overflow sensor. The sensor is has been shown in the picture, and also the sensor is placed in the particular height of the model because this is helps to indicate or send informations whenever the water level rise in high level, so it will be give us notification. And also this drain trap will function as trap the rubbish and let the water flow smoothly freely by using the holes in those metals. Thank you so much. I can guarantee that the drain trap and the overflow sensor will be more useful to reduce the number of cases of flood that always increase in our country. Thank you.